All right. Let me see here again. Make sure this was right. So what I'm doing is I'm writing my coefficients up here. I bring this down. I'm doing 1 times 1 is 1. I'm adding it to this and I get 1. I'm doing 1 times 1 is 1. I'm adding it to this. I get 2. 1 times 2 is 2. I add it to this. I get 0. 1 times 0 is 0. Added to this is negative 12. That's negative 12. Negative 12. Ooh, this should be what? Negative 20. Thank you. All right. Now, I could go up this way and check my negatives, but since I could have 0 negative reals, I'm going to test a positive. So I'm going to test 2. Watch, guys. This is where I really want you to be able to go with this synthetic division. What do I do first? Bring down the 1. I multiply these 2 and add it, and what do I get? I multiply these 2 and add it, and what do I get? Multiply these 2 and add it. Multiply these 2 and add it. Good job. Multiply these 2 and add it. What do I get? 0. So why is that good? What's that mean? It works. Yay, we have our one real. So our one real has to be 2. Our one positive real, I mean. X equals 2. Now, what I'm left with then is this constant, this x squared, this x cubed, and this. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to factor that, am I? Okay, so now I'm going to see, I know, am I going to check 3? Or 4, I mean? Why not? I only have one positive real, right? So now I'm just going to go ahead and do negative 1 because I want to talk about something that happens. I'm just going to do it quickly, just copy it down. And check my work. Oh, this works. Well, I sure am glad I checked it since it works. Okay, so so what does that tell me then? I have to have 2. So negative 1 did work. All right, let's keep going then. What do you think might be a good thing to check now? Negative 2. So negative 2 added 4, negative 10, 12, 24, 12. Ooh, this is not going to work, is it? Negative 24. Okay. All right. Well, then what might be the 1? It's not. Can it be negative 3? No, because that's not in our list. I'm not going to bother checking that. I'm going to go on up to negative 4. Negative 4, 16, and 1. Ooh, this is getting large. What is this? Negative
68.
This isn't going to work either, is it? Is it negative 8 then? Did I mess up on negative 2? Negative 2 added to that. 4, negative 10, 24. No, that's right. Okay, maybe it's negative 8. This is going to be really strange if this does not work. Negative 8 added. What the heck? Get out the... Oh, I bet I know what happens. Do you guys know what it is?
Imagine.
No? What would it have to be? What?
Oh, 2-1.
No. It has to be that negative 1 is a solution twice. Did somebody say that?
I said 2-1.
Okay. Guys, the way that I could figure out if negative 1 is a solution twice is I can take what's left over here, this 1, negative 1, 2, negative 4, and negative 8, and I'm going to do synthetic division with negative 1 just on that. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm taking what's left over, and I want to put negative 1 into that. I'll just go ahead and do it the long way here, because I'm sure this has to be the answer to this. And I had said we could use a graphing calculator to help, but I knew you guys could do it without, so that's why I didn't bother. Woohoo! Okay, so X equals -1 works, and it works again. So there are our two negative reals. So that would have helped us to not have to check these -4s and -8s. Now, look at what I'm left with. This is my constant, this is my x, this is my x squared, this is my x cubed. Or no, wait. Constant, x squared, x cubed. Yeah, that's right. What do I try to do when I have four terms like this? Grouping. What can I take out of the first two? And what am I, x squared, what am I left with? Okay, what can I take out of these two? And what am I left with? Okay, so now I get x minus 2 and x squared plus 4. But what do I already know about this 2? Didn't I already find that earlier? Yeah, I did. So I'm not even going to worry about that. So now I'm going to take my x squared plus 4, set it equal to 0. Do you guys know that quickly? Good job. Wow, that's impressive. Okay, we got them all. Our zeros are 2, -1, -1, 2i, and -2i. And we got all the zeros right there. No graphing calculator. We don't need that technology, do we?
Yeah, we need that.
We're going to save number 4. Should I go ahead and do it? It's kind of fun. Should I just go ahead and do it?
No.
Is your brain fried?
You can do it.
Okay, I'll just do it real quick. Don't even write it down. Okay, guys, if my 0 is 0, what's the factor? If my 0 is 0, what's the factor? X. If my 0 is 8, what's the factor? Okay, if 3 minus I is a 0, what else is a 0? What's the sum? What's the product? Is it 8 or 10? How many people say 8? How many people say 10? It's 10. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and just multiply these two. So it's x squared minus 8x. What's this one going to be then?
X squared. Right.
All right, there's our function. I'm going to go ahead and multiply it out.
Oh.
What else? Minus 8x cubed plus 48x squared. There we go. What are we supposed to name it? F? There it is. See, you guys missed. Did I lose a term? Oh, hold on a minute. No, that's right, isn't it? 6 is good. Okay, makes sense? We all can do this stuff, right? It just takes persistence, dedication. All right, we're going to stop there. Unless you guys want to do more of that.
No, I don't.